What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, today's video is super exciting because I'm going to be showing you guys my bedroom. So last semester I attended college, but I actually graduated in December, but I'm still living in this same apartment for a few more months until I move to the city. And I figured I wanted to show you guys it before I left because I love the way I decorated and I think it's super cute and cozy, and I think it can give you guys some ideas if you're going to college and have your first room in a college apartment. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get into the video. Alright, so when you walk in the door, this is exactly what you see. I have a very small room, so there's not going to be too much to show. When you walk in, you see a mirror. I'm wearing sweatpants. And then to the right, I have all of my jewelry. I made this a while back. I lost a thing, but this is where I keep all my necklaces. It keeps them super organized. This is just cork, and I put it in an old window pane, and I just put tacks in the cork to hold all my necklaces. And then here I have my sorority composite. Then if you come over here, this is where my clothes are. I have so many clothes, so I have to have this clothing rack. The clothing rack keeps all like skirts, pants, and coats, and then in my closet I have all of my shirts. I have a ton of stuff, and oh, I have dresses over here, but it's mostly just shirts. And then up here I have hoodies and some sweaters, and then I have this dresser which has like t-shirts and yeah, basically t-shirts. I have a ton of clothes. Above my clothing rack, I just have these two little greenery ball things hanging from the ceiling. And then below I have some shoes. Then turning left, I have my bed and everything. I have my backpack. I'm headed to Starbucks to go do some work. And then I have this little cube that just keeps scarves, hats, all that kind of stuff. And then here I have two drawers that just keep underwear and then pajamas. And then on my bed, I kind of use it as a bedside table, and then on it I just have like a bunch of stuff. So for my bedding, my pillow, this pillow's from Home Goods, I believe, and I believe this one, they honestly might all be from Home Goods. Honestly, I don't remember where any of this is from. This is from Target, I believe this is from Target, and then this is Pottery Barn or PB Teen. Then below my bed, for more clothing storage, my mom, my dad, and I actually made this. I have 4 crates glued to some wheels. So I have this wheeling cart that goes below my bed that I can keep sweaters, jeans, leggings in, and it's super convenient because it has super easy access. And then it also looks super cute because it's kind of rustic. And then walking over here, I have such a small path. My room is so tiny. And then on my windowsill, I just have some cute decorations like books, plants, jewelry, a happy holidays thing, and an L that lights up. Above my window, I just have some lights, and again, that's where we just were over there. So this is actually built in, and I put some contact paper on top of it to make it look cute, but I really loved my desk. My dad had made this for me last year, and I love the storage it gives me to store my makeup. So I just kind of slid my desk under this built-in desk. And so I just have my desktop for I have some cute decor pieces over here. I do my makeup and do my work at my desk, so it kind of works for both. We made this chair, which is super cute. And then above my desk, I have my banner that my little made me. I'm absolutely in love. It matches my room perfectly. And then I just have a few little things that I'd gotten in the city and some lights. And then turning left, I have my plant that surprisingly is still living. I'm very proud that it's still alive. I've had it for the whole year, so hopefully I can keep that living. And honestly, that's kind of it for my room. So just one last little overview. I forgot to mention my tapestries. This one as well as that one are from Amazon, and the middle one I actually got in Barcelona when I went there 2 summers ago. So just a little overview. This is my room. I absolutely love it. Even though it's small, it's super cute, and I love the way I decorated it. So that's it for my room tour. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you like this video and subscribe down below. I'd really appreciate it. I hope this helped you in some way in decorating for your college dorm. Comment down below what college you go to. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much. And yeah, bye. Getting a thumbnail.